Earthquakes have been responsible for over a million deaths around the world. Until today, the strongest earthquake that is ever recorded is 9.5 magnitude. On average, there are about 15 earthquakes every year with a magnitude of 7 or greater. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we will be talking about one of the most powerful and destructive natural phenomena, earthquake. To understand how earthquakes happen, we need to look at the structure of the earth. The earth is made up of several layers, including the inner core, outer core, mantle and crust. The crust is the outermost layer of the earth, and it is made up of several large pieces called tectonic plates. These plates are constantly moving and they can interact with each other in different ways. The theory of plate tectonics explains how the movement of these plates can cause earthquakes. When two plates meet, they can either move away from each other or they can move towards each other, and the third possibility is that they slide past each other. It is at these boundaries that most earthquakes occur. There are three main types of plate boundaries where earthquakes can occur. At divergent boundaries, two plates move away from each other and in result, new crust form. At these boundaries, earthquakes are usually relatively small and are not very destructive. On the other hand, at convergent boundaries, two plates move towards each other, and one plate is forced beneath the other in a process called subjection. At transform boundaries, two plates slide past each other horizontally. So, an earthquake is what happens when two blocks of the earth suddenly slip past one another. The earth's surface, the surface where they slip, is called the fault or fault plane. The location below the earth's surface where the earthquake starts is called the hypocenter, and the location directly above it on the surface of earth is called the epicenter. Sometimes an earthquake has four shocks. These are similar earthquakes that happen in the same place as the larger earthquake that follows. When an earthquake occurs, the sudden release of energy from the tectonic plates causes seismic waves to radiate outward from the epicenter. These waves can cause the ground to shake, and they can be felt away from the epicenter. Seismic waves come in two main types: primary waves and secondary waves. Primary waves are like the lightning and S waves are like the thunder. The P waves travel faster and shake the ground where you are first. Then the S waves follow and shake the ground also. If you are close to the earthquake, the P and S wave will come one right after the other. But if you are far away, there will be more time between the two. P waves compress and stretch the crustal material parallel to the direction they are propagating. S waves cause the crustal material to move back and forth perpendicular to the direction they are traveling. Earthquakes are recorded by instruments called seismographs. The recordings they make is called a seismogram. The magnitude of Earth is measured using the Richter scale, which ranges from 1 to 10. Each increase in magnitude represents a tenfold increase in the amplitude of seismic waves. For example, an earthquake with a magnitude of 7 is 10 times more powerful than an earthquake with a magnitude of 6. Earthquakes can cause a wide range of damage and impact, depending upon their magnitude and location. The most significant damage is usually caused by ground shaking, which can lead to collapsed buildings, bridges, and many other structures. The impact of earthquakes can be devastating, causing loss of life, injuries, and economic damage. In short, earthquakes are a natural phenomenon that can have a significant impact on our lives. By understanding the science behind an earthquake, we can better prepare for and mitigate the impact of these natural disasters. We hope you enjoyed this video and gained a better understanding of how earthquakes happen. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel for more interesting videos. Thank you for watching.